And we're live as Chef Mark, and we are up on the patio. We're going to be on Channel 2 at 8:45 doing some Labor Day grilling. And what kind of segments do we have coming your way? Well, for Labor Day, you got to work the grill. I'm preheating the grill right now. It's getting nice and hot. We're going to be doing a grilled Caesar salad. Grilled Caesar salad, you say? Yeah, romaine handles heat very well. You get these little crispy bits. Of course, we're going to serve that with some grilled chicken and grilled croutons. Yeah, I love grilling croutons. I think it just adds a nice grill flavor to any grill. Grilling tips and tricks coming your way. Also, Palisade peach season. You know what that means? We're going to be grilling Palisade peaches. And here's a pro tip about Palisade peaches. When you take a Palisade peach and you crack it open, one of the things that makes Palisade peaches very special is that they're freestone, which means that the pit just pops right out. A clingstone is those peaches where you can't quite crack it open, and then there's a wasp in the way, and I think they're a little harder to eat as well. So Palisade peaches, of course, are near and dear to Coloradoans' hearts. Delicious. We're going to be serving that with a little bit of ricotta cheese and some pound cake, some grilled pound cake. So an entire meal off the grill for Labor Day. Tune in at 8:45 on Channel 2 here in the Denver market. You're going to see even more tips and tricks.